Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and discuss you writing task 2 from IELTS 13 book Cambridge. And the statement is some people believe that nowadays we have too many choices. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So गाइस यहाँ पर हमको बताना होगा कि हम किस एक्सटेंट तक इस स्टेटमेंट से एग्री करते हैं और एग्री करते हैं तो क्यों करते हैं और डिसएग्री करते हैं तो क्यों करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द essay. It is irrefutable that world has been tremendously shaped by the unparalleled development of technology and globalization. So guys, first of all, we have to give the hook line. We have to write the hook line. So this is the hook line of my essay, which carries revolutionized changes in the way we think and choices we make. And after that, guys, we have to rephrase the given statement. So I write, it is believed by a section of society that today's generation have so many alternatives. And guys, after giving the uh, statement and rephrase statement, you have to clear your point of view that either you are agree or either you are disagree with the given statement. तो मैंने लिखा है आई कम्प्लीटली एग्री विद दिस स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज विदाउट एनी डाउट वी हैव enriched with various resources which can fulfill our wishes. So guys, in this way you can write introduction, and with the help of this kind of introduction you easily score good band, even more than 7.5 band. And as I earlier told you, in your introduction section there are four or three main points. First one is hook line, and the second one is rephrasing, and the third one is the thesis statement and your status, your point of view. But here we are not giving our point of view, but we are clearing that in the further para we are going to agree with the statement or disagree with the statement. एंड गाइस, इन द फर्स्ट बॉडी पैराग्राफ जो हम लिखेंगे वो हम लिखेंगे उसके पॉइंट्स और रीज़न देंगे कि हम क्यों एग्री कर रहे हैं इस स्टेटमेंट से, इसके पीछे क्या रीजंस हैं. सो मैंने लिखा है देयर आर myriad ऑफ रीज़न टू substantiate माई व्यू पॉइंट दैट वाई पीपल vehemently deems that we have too many choices. And the first and foremost is the advancement of technology enriched us to get accurate information on one click at any time. For example, there are a number of universities which offers online study, so we have numerous alternatives by which we can compare effectiveness of a particular course that particular institute offers in terms of time, money, employment opportunities. So guys, here in this paragraph I have given one reasons and one point, and I have proved this point with the help of one example. So guys, in this way, in one body paragraph you have to give only one reason, one point, and then you have to clarify your point with the help of one example. So now move to the next body paragraph. एंड गाइस, सेकंड पैरा स्टार्ट करने के लिए आप जो कनेक्टर्स हैं वो यूज़ कर सकते हो. लाइक सेकेंडली, there are number of choices also available on television program. We can easily sit on the sofa and enjoy our favorite serial, movie and songs at any time. गाइस, यहाँ पर मैंने एक रीज़न दिया है, वो जो रीज़न है वो चॉइसेस पे वो दिया है मैंने टेलीविज़न पे. इन एडिशन, इंटरनेट इनेबल अस टू प्लान our holidays and destinations by comparing their prices, facilities, and cuisines they offer. For instance, there are a number of websites like MakeMyTrip, Visitor.com, and OYO, which has offer online hotel booking facilities. So guys, in this para, I have given 2 reasons or 2 points for जिस चीज़ के लिए मैं एग्री कर रही हूँ। और यहाँ पर मैंने जो पहला पॉइंट दिया है वो दिया है टेलीविज़न की चॉइसेस पे, टेलीविज़न प्रोग्राम्स चॉइसेस पे, एंड देन ऑन इंटरनेट। एंड गाइस, जो मैंने थर्ड पैरा स्टार्ट किया है वो किया है एक कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट एंड कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी कनेक्टर से। On the other hand, although we have various choices in the field of entertainment, education, and excursion, but too many choices can lead us to become spendthrift personality. Consequently, too many choices in food can lead to the conflict among the family members. Therefore, online shopping applications such as Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra offer to choose things according to our taste. By doing this, they make us spend lavishly on unwanted things. So guys, in this para जो मैंने लिखा है, वैसे तो मैं एग्री कर रही हूँ, मैंने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में इस चीज़ को क्लियर किया था, पर मुझे 3 पैराग्राफ बनाने थे। तो जो थर्ड पैरा है उसमें मैंने एक कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी कनेक्टर से अपने जो अदर व्यू पॉइंट हैं कि मतलब टू मैनी चॉइसेस तो हैं, बट टू मैनी चॉइसेस जो नुकसान कर रही हैं उनके बारे में भी, उनके जो ड्रॉबैक्स हैं उनके बारे में लिख दिया है। And now let's move to the conclusion. And here I have written to recapitulate, even though advent of modern technology and global world making people lazy and spend more money, but I strongly believe it making our life more easy, and it has benefited human life in many ways. And guys, in this way you can write writing tasks too. And if you find this video useful only, then like, subscribe and share my channel. And thank you guys.